The beauty of a narrow front. 3 trees right ahead of me. Swing around that one, past those 2, and then hit the last one. All right, we're back on track. Neighbor's grain bin. We'll check out the hedgerows, see if anything's fallen. See that? I think that bearing is shot on the car steering pump. When I throttle it up, see how much vibration I'm getting in the belt? I don't know if the nut just loosened up on the front. It's not supposed to play like that. No, that's the whole shaft that's moving. The whole shaft's got that much end play. I don't know if that's kosher. I fired it back up. I guess I'm just gonna have to keep an eye on it as I'm driving around here and see what happens. I don't know if my ears are playing tricks on me, but I can almost hear some bearing noise. Well, we'll drive a little ways and I'll check it again. It still works fine. Well, fence is down. We'll have to fix that. Because I'd hate for it to give way down here. Nuts! Just when you think you got everything just right,